Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Remote Play on your Xbox Series X. Start by turning on your Xbox Series X. Take your controller and press the Xbox button to open the guide. From here, move to Profile and System. Then go to Settings. Inside Settings, find Devices and Connections. Select it, and then scroll down to Remote Features. Now you will see an option called Enable Remote Features. Make sure this box is checked. This allows your console to connect to other devices over the internet. Next, stay on the same screen and look for Power Options. Select it. You need to choose Sleep Mode. This is important because it allows your console to turn on remotely when you want to use Remote Play. If your console is set to shut down completely, Remote Play will not work. After setting up your console, take your phone, tablet, or computer. Open the Xbox app. If you do not have it installed, download it from your device's App Store. Once the app is open, sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use on your Xbox. After signing in, look at the top left corner and tap on the console icon. The app will search for your Xbox Series X. When your console appears, select it. After a few seconds, your screen will connect and you can start playing your games remotely. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Thanks for watching.